Good morning, everyone. This is your trichology practitioner, uh, Dr. Leola Day, and today we're actually going to talk about blood type eating, but we're going to specifically talk about blood type A on this morning. So, blood is blood, right? Well, yes and no. And human blood is made of the same basic elements, but within the realm, there are distinctions that account for different blood types. Further distinguish between negative and positive. What makes four blood type groups different is their antigens, the immune defense system, also on the surface of the blood, red blood cells. But it all originated in 1930. A Japanese professor by the name of Taki Furukawa published a paper claiming that the individual blood type, which is A, B, and O, reflect the personality of those who possess them. Since then, blood type categorizing Kosuke Makata has become firmly entrenched in the Japanese culture, much like the astrologists, horoscopes, Japanese television newspapers of the blood types. But just to get a little further of what blood type A is actually about, what makes blood type A and the history of the blood type A is that blood type A emerges into the 21st century with many more complex challenges that their ancestors could have imagined. The key factor in the development of the type A can be traced to the struggle for several long ago, where there was a rapid dwindling supply of hunting game stock, having exhausted the great game herds of Africa. Humans pushed further out from their ancestral home into Europe and Asia. And so these biological adaptations can still be observed today in type A digestive system. The makeup of person antigen on red blood cells can determine how much of a certain hormone gets released. It also, if type A blood, you are most likely to have a higher level of stress hormone cortisol in your body. Also, according to National Institutes of Health, there are a number of health risks that are associated with type A blood, such as 20% higher chance of developing stomach cancer compared to type O and B, at a 5% increased risk of heart disease compared to blood type O. Just some foods to actual that is beneficial for blood type eating. Blood type eating, when you're eating by your blood type, it also helps with digestion. Also, the benefit of it, you actually lose weight while you're actually eating. So some of the foods that is very beneficial is actually going to be for the seafood is going to be carp and cod, grouper, mackerel is also good, red snapper, rainbow snap is also good, rainbow trout, excuse me, salmon, sardine. Some of the beans that are good is going to be black beans, green beans, red soybeans are good for you. Black eyed peas is also good. The vegetables can be the broccoli, carrots is also good. Collard greens, dandelions, garlic, horseradish is very good for blood type A. Some of the pastas are going to be the buckwheat, the kasha is very good for you. And the fruits going to be apricots, blackberries, blueberries. Some of the things that we do need to avoid is actually going to be this type of seafood. All of your meats, you basically are a pescatarian when you are blood type A. So some of the seafood that you can that you need to avoid, okay, is going to be crayfish and crab and flounder and frog is going to be one, halibut is going to be another. So also octopus and oyster is another blood type food that you need to avoid for blood type A. Some of the nuts, Brazil, cashews, and pistachios is another one that you need to avoid. So if you don't know what your blood type is, you can contact us at 336-986-9063. And I do actually have a book that is coming out that is going to have all four blood type groups in it. You can also visit our website at trichologyhairlossprevention.com. If you have any questions, we can actually get your blood type here in the clinic. Or if you already know your blood type, you can actually get the book that actually has your blood type in it. So you can kind of get started on a eating plan that is healthy, no starvation, and actually you'll be losing weight while you eat. So hope this is very helpful. This is blood type A eating foods too that is beneficial and to avoid. Have a good day.